What's going on, guys? Aaron Vanderman down here with Sherwood Dodge. And today I got a fresh trade for you guys. It's a 2021 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. This vehicle does come equipped with your LED headlights. You also have fog lights down below there. You got your 17-inch rim. Coming to the side here, you do see that you have your blind spot detection and your heated mirrors, and also with your keyless entry. Making your way to the inside, you do see that you have the red trim signifying that it is a Trailhawk. You also have full leather seats, which come with heated and cooled seats as well. Also comes with a heated steering wheel, your 8.4-inch touchscreen display with your navigation, and you do have your 4x4 drive mode select as well. Following me to the back here, you do have lots of space in the back. Full leather again. You also got your USB in the back and a 115-volt plug. Now, if you guys want to look at the remote here, you do see that when you press this twice, it does open the liftgate, so it is hands-free. You do have a backup camera right there, and your hitch and wiring as well right here. Now, when you look in the back, you do have your front license plate there, but underneath, you also have a full-size spare. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Compass, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thanks for your guys' time today, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon.